Right now, millions of people are opening mental health apps late at night instead of booking therapy. They type how they feel, hit send, and wait for an AI response to come back. For some people, that feels easier than talking face-to-face with a real person. And that shift is changing how mental health support looks for an entire generation. Some people even believe these apps can replace therapy completely. That's not a small claim. That's a massive promise. And big promises deserve careful scrutiny, not blind excitement. So let's examine this carefully, step by step, without hype or fear. Myth: AI chatbots understand emotions the same way trained therapists do. They don't. AI doesn't feel empathy. It predicts language using patterns from data. It can sound caring, but it isn't experiencing anything you're feeling. A therapist reads tone, pauses, body language, and emotional shifts. That's how distress gets noticed before someone even names it. AI only reacts to typed words, which means context can disappear. And that limits depth, because real therapy lives in nuance, not just text. Still, AI chatbots can help in certain moments. They're available instantly, which matters when people feel stuck or overwhelmed. They can guide breathing, grounding, and journaling exercises when someone feels overwhelmed or stuck. For mild stress, that kind of support can genuinely help people calm down in the moment. But therapy is more than coping tools, tips, or quick emotional relief. It's a relationship built on trust, safety, and accountability between two real people. That relationship can literally change how the brain responds to stress. No algorithm can fully recreate that human bond or the trust built over time. That bond is human. There are also real risks people don't talk about enough with AI mental health tools, and those risks matter. AI can miss crisis signals like suicidal thoughts or abuse. That's dangerous. And a chatbot can't take responsibility when advice causes harm. That accountability is missing. A therapist can intervene and protect someone's safety. That matters. An app simply can't do that, according to clinical mental health guidelines. That's the limit. So where does that leave the claim people keep repeating online? Let's answer it. AI can support mental health, but support is not replacement, according to research. Replacing therapy is a much higher standard, according to the American Psychological Association. That standard has ethical and biological consequences, shown in clinical studies. Studies show isolation increases anxiety and depression when people avoid real care. When used correctly, AI is a tool, according to mental health researchers. When used incorrectly, research shows it becomes a shortcut that backfires. Studies like the Yerkes-Dodson law show shortcuts fail when stress levels are high. So stay with me, because multiple clinical findings point to one conclusion. Behavioral studies from the NIH show beliefs like this directly shape care-seeking decisions. And CDC data shows delayed mental health treatment increases symptom severity. So now we judge the claim being made, not the technology itself or how impressive it sounds. Not the software, but the claim it can replace clinician-led care. According to clinical ethics standards, responsibility requires human oversight in care. This is where evidence-based practice draws a clear and necessary line in mental health care. And this is where hype must stop, according to mental health research consensus. So with the evidence laid out, the claim itself is what we judge, not the hype around it. So when people say AI mental health chatbots can replace real therapy, myth debunked. If you think AI chatbots can replace therapy, let's debate in the comments. I want to hear your reasoning. I'm genuinely looking forward to seeing your attempts at convincing me. Subscribe to Health Myth Lab for more health myths tested and explained, so you don't miss what's next. Next up, are smart rings and wearables actually diagnosing disease? Let's break it down.